Remember when you were a kid and learning new things was fun and easy? There were games, songs, stories, even pictures. With a little repetition, you could master a new skill. Imagine what would happen if that joy and ease was translated to learning languages. Well, now it is. The Marcus Language Academy has thrown out the old, boring and complicated approach to learning languages and replaced it with a fun, simple and effective method to master German, English or even Spanish. The Marcus method is simple and different from any other language course. Here, you learn through stories, pictures and colours, just like when you were a kid. In each lesson, a character tells the story of their life. You'll go through their story sentence by sentence. Each sentence has its own picture, grammar, subtitle and translation. You learn by being asked a lot of questions that generate repetition, so that the grammar structure and pattern is locked in your memory. You'll focus on listening while following the stories. Then, you'll participate in a number of exercises, like listening and speaking, questions and answers, and present and past tense, all to help you remember. The course also comes with lessons on additional vocabulary to complete the vocab of the story, as well as a PDF with grammar and translations. Watch and listen to the stories as often as you need to fully understand the language. 92% of students show a huge improvement in just 1 month. Ready to have fun learning a new language? Visit marcuslanguageacademy.com. Choose your language and start speaking it today.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering Spanish. Want to take your Spanish learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.